and today I'm going to be doing part 3 of the Rubik's Cube time solves. Last one, I'll just explain it again. The last video, which was yesterday or today, it depends. Last video I explained what inspect is. What you do is use 10 seconds, you go like this, and you just look to see where the pieces are, and you go, and then when you mix, and then you just you solve it. And then when you scramble it up, you're following like a step like that. Like a step, boom, boom, patterns. And then you hit cube timer, and I will put the image on the screen. I will film it this time. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is, instead of, like last video, I was like, oh, I'll show you a picture of it. So what I'm actually going to do is take, like, a picture of the screen as the time. Actually going to take a video of it, and so now you can see it live as I'm solving. Okay, so I'm going to set the video up right now. Vid. Amazon movie. Does it give me HD? 720? Two, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm obviously not gonna like show you a picture when I'm like sitting there just setting it up, because it would be boring. So like I said, I'm gonna scramble it, and I'm not gonna film it. And then when I go to solve it, then I'll film it, inspect, and then you'll see what I'm saying if you didn't watch the video. So inspect, I gotta scramble it up. Alright, so now I'm gonna inspect, go, 10, okay. 304.95 because that took me forever to get the middle layer. So now I'm going to do scramble 2 and then like scramble it to the 2, scramble 2, and then I'll be back to solve it. Okay, so I'm ready to start second scramble. Inspect on and go. Inspect and looked at it. Okay. 8, 7. 137.56, so it'll show you the best, worst, and average. That is a lot better. So it gives me best of 137.56, that was the second solve, worst 3.04.95, and then the average out of the two, 2.21.26, and it'll give me after average, it'll say average of 5, and then if I do 6, it'll say average 5 and then average. So now I'm going to scramble it up for number 3, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm ready for the third solve. Give me 10, inspect, ready, not yet. Ready, go. Excuse me. So I got 220.08. So that gives me average of 220.86. Oh, sweet. So now I'm going to scramble it up for the fourth time. And I'll be right back. Now I'm ready to do the fourth solve. And inspect on. Go. .72. That gives me a best of 137.56, worst of 304.95, average of 2.16.08. So this is going to be my fifth and final scramble, so I'll scramble it up and I'll be right back. So I'm ready to start the fifth and final scramble. Well, I mean I scrambled it, solve, 10, inspect, go. So that gives me, right now, fifth and final solve, a minute and 29.62. My best is 129.62. Yay. Worst is 3.04.95. Average 2.06.79, and an average of 5, like I was saying, is 2.06.79. So that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next one. Bye.